True. Different times, different thing. Like when I first came, the first Billionaire, back in Khashoggi Day 32, it was truly all in cash, and then it became stock and stuff. And now it is not only the money that you have, but it's also the value of the companies that you have. Like,
how do you define billionaire? Because the reason, let me preface this question, because there's a lot of people that call themselves billionaires, but there's a lot of different ways to throw that around. And the non-finance people don't realize that. I mean, you could be billion in sales, you could be a billion in, in assets. And then when you put the debt in the picture, it can change the whole situation.
True. Different times, different thing. Like when I first came, the first Billionaire, back in Khashoggi Day 32, it was truly all in cash, and then it became stock and stuff. And now it is not only the money that you have, but it's also the value of the companies that you have. Like even just one of my companies, EV Mobility, is an EV space with Teslas and apartment buildings and hotels and stuff, and the contracts that I have, I'll be taken out of that company for $2 to $4 billion this year. Wow. So you look at now you got to look at the assets that you have and stuff. I mean, I have literally zero debt. I hate debt, except for in the company. Even I started the company was buying all these Tesla. I just pay cash for them. Eventually, I have debt. So it's between all the companies and assets that I have and the cash that I have. Then you have that. If I liquidated everything, it's basically I liquidated everything today. Will I have at least $1 billion? And the answer is yes. So,
well, thank you. I appreciate you having the courage to answer that.
Yeah.